Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for July 2024. So, let's see. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Let's see, Virgo. Anong energies for you ngayong July 2024? Your overall energy is the Hierophant. So, this is maaring you will be a teacher or meron kang tuturuan. You will share your knowledge, your skills ngayong July. So, maari ring magiging coach ka, mentor, ayan. So, maari ring mas magiging marami kang matututunan. Parang gusto mong mag-aral pa ngayong July. Can be anything, no? Ang pag-aaral, hindi lang naman ginagawa sa school yan. You can learn from home, from the internet, no? So, accessible na lahat ng mga resources natin. Let's see. Iba naman, random, pwedeng ikakasal kayo or a-attend kayo sa kasal ng isang malapit na kaibigan. Your challenge, the Seven of Swords, there are some people that are against you. Okay, maaring pagtutulungan ka rito na alam mo yung drama sa sa workplace na nagkamali ka tapos doon nalalabas kung sino yung mga yung mga hidden enemies mo. Yung mga tao na akala mo kaibigan mo pero they are against you. And also be careful rin sa mga makaka-deal mo ngayon, especially sa love life, no? Baka maka-deal mo ang isang tao na merong hidden agenda or hindi magandang intentions towards you. Even sa sa mga business transactions. So your opportunity is the King of Cups. Alam nyo, malakas yung intuition nyo, yung instinct nyo ngayong July. And magiging helpful yan sa inyo para madali kayong ma-alerto na oops, there's something wrong. Kasi you will definitely feel it na parang dito sa taong to something is off with this person, may red flags. So yeah, you're going to be more intuitive. And also, I feel like meron kang opportunity na alagaan ng isang tao na mahal mo talaga. This can be a family member, a loved one, a romantic partner. So your blessing is the Strength card. When it comes to your health, no, sa iyong kalusugan, you will be blessed with good health ngayong July. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may pagkakataon kayo na makapag gym to improve yourself, mas palakasin pa yung iyong vitality. Let's see and clarify. What is the Hierophant? You have the Five of Wands. Okay. Parang meron kang pagbabatiin or aayusin na gulo. Nine of Wands. Yes. Parang ikaw yung mamamagitan dito sa gulo or misunderstanding, miscommunication, conflict. Oo. You will act as a mediator, no? Na maayos ang isang situation, relationship. Let's see, what is the Seven of Swords? The Six, ay nako, alam nyo, meron talaga kayong hidden enemies, Virgo. I don't know kung bakit, but isa sa dahilan is because of your success. Some of you, they see you as a threat, na parang ka sa kanila, banta, banta ka sa kanilang pag-unlad. Because there are people celebrating you. There are people who sees you as someone na respectable. Maaring nakikita nila yung iyong galing. But there are also people na insecure sa'yo Okay? They want you, gusto ka nila na isabotahe. So, like what I mentioned kanina, be careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Okay? What is the King of Cups? The Ten of Swords and the Father of Cups. Uy, King of Cups din yun Mm-mm. So, I feel like meron kang opportunity ngayon to let go of your past na you feel na hindi na helpful sa'yo, hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. Some of you are ending a situation, a relationship na kumbaga pinagtiisan mo talaga, no? Nagtiis ka diyan for so many years, pero dumating na dun sa point na you have to, stand up at sumubok ng mga bagong opportunities coming in sa'yo. Pwede tong sa trabaho mo, no? Sa relationship or connection na you feel like it's more of a burden na sila, no? So, para sa'yo, you want to experience something new, something exciting sa pamamagitan ng pag-alis sa isang toxic situation. You have the Son of Pentacles. When it comes to your finances, I see growth, no? Financial growth. And meron ding rewards sa'yo. Na meron kang rewards na matatanggap sa mga pinaghirapan mo, trinabaho mo, ineffortan mo na career or job or any projects that you've been working on. Let's see. Okay, what else? You have wisdom. Ito nga yung overall energy nyo talaga. Pwedeng meron talaga kayong imi-mentor or it's the other way around. Pwedeng ikaw yung imi-mentor. Okay? Just take what resonates. But definitely, meron ditong pag-unlad ng iyong kaalaman. May mga bago kang karunungan. Wow. Na matututunan. Authenticity, yes. Mas magiging totoo ka sa iyong sarili. And I think, yung pagiging totoo mo, dun ka mas makikilala, dun ka mas irerespeto, and you will be admired for your authenticity. Oh, new beginnings, again. Parang sa reading, I don't know, sa Pisces ba yun or sa, Sagittarius, but pareho rin lumabas yung, dalawang blue butterfly. So, some of you, Virgo, there's a new beginning, and any type of new beginning to no? So, tingnan natin kung saang area of life to na may new beginnings for you. Third house, okay, sa communication, sa learning, sa iba may bagong pag-aaralan, may bagong interest kayo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng bagong kapatid. 12th house. Okay, so new beginnings when it comes to your spirituality. Yeah, spiritual awakening. Definitely for you. So, let's see what else, Virgo. Treasure your loved ones. Ayan, like what I mentioned kanina, no? You will also focus on taking care of your loved ones, the people na talagang sumusuporta sa'yo all the way. It is important to love others deeply. Malalim na pagmamahal sa mga taong dinideserve ang love mo. Okay? Embrace your emotions. Yes. So, it's okay not to be okay. 'Di ba? It's okay na minsan magbe-breakdown tayo, iiyak tayo, no? Kasi we're human. We have feelings. Ayan. You're going to allow your feelings to surface and be accepted. Mahirap rin kasi yung parang laging tinatago mo yung totoo mong nararamdaman. Kasi minsan bigla na lang yan parang bigla ka na lang sasabog. Iiyak, 'di ba? So, once in a while, it's healthy to cry, and after none is stand up, and be prouder, sa sarili mo. Maging maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Kasi ikaw yung unang-unang magtitiwala sa sarili mo. What has no bearing on what will be. What does your ideal life look and feel like? So for some of you, ngayon gusto nyo nang makita yung future ninyo, kung anong direction yung tinatahak nyo. So you will be planning more on sa mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo. Ano yung dapat mong unahin at bigyan ng attention. Okay? Na alam mong makaka-apekto sa future mo. So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye!